Yeah, I'm sorry that I cannot make it to your 53rd wedding anniversary. Congratulations on this milestone. Happy anniversary to you and your wife, and I wish both of you many more years of happiness together. We have been friends for more than 45 years since we came to this country. I have appreciated your friendship and enjoy all the time we spend together bowling and golfing. You are a good friend, and I always feel comfortable talking to you or visiting you. Thank you again for your friendship, and may we all have many more years together. Happy anniversary and enjoy your day.